Hello there. So you want to know how you can check Alibaba seller verification? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and search for Alibaba and simply go ahead and open this site right over here. Now, let me tell you why we want to go ahead and check for Alibaba verified sellers. The main reason being there are a lot of scams on this site as well. So in order for you to go ahead and find actual authentic sellers who are trying to make a living out of Alibaba, all you need to do is whenever you're searching for anything, what you can do is simply go ahead and on supplier features, just simply go ahead and tap on verified suppliers. And when we do that, as you can see, we are only going to get Amazon or Alibaba verified sellers right over here. So if we go ahead and click on that and look, there's going to be a verified badge right over here on the supplier's customization ability, as you can see. And when you even scroll all the way down until you find the company profile, there's going to be a verified, and there's also going to be a verified by tab. What else you can do is you can simply go ahead into their company profile, and as you can see, they're just verified right over here. And that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.